let's get this exhaust system unboxed. Let's see what we got here. It's clamp action. Pipes and the mufflers. Yeah. So it looks like that's about it for this Magnaflow system. So John's getting the car prepped. Get it up in the air. We'll get rolling on this exhaust system. First thing you're gonna do is get the dick out of my mouth. No. First you're gonna want to measure it. Passenger side is gonna be 18 and 3/4. So mark that, that's where you're gonna cut it, and then the driver's side, same deal. It's gonna be about 18 and 3/4. So first step, you'll mark that, go through, put some PV Blaster or some WD-40 or something on these hangers to help them slide out. You got 2 here, and then 2 more hangers. Kind of hard to see up here. And once you cut it, pop those hangers off, then the stock system will come down. So we'll get these cut and move on to the next step. This guy needs to wash his car. The undercarriage is filled. So now we got both sides cut, so we're gonna go ahead and pop off the hangers and slide the old system out of the way. You're gonna want to put a little lubrication up on these rubbers, that way this slides in a little bit easier. And get the new system slid in here. I think we missed the other side there, partner. Is it? Mm-hmm. Oh, okay. Didn't know it went in. It slid in so easy. You know, a little lubrication goes a long way. Got this slid together. Got the clamps. So we'll get this other hanger put on here. And then we'll tighten these clamps down and then get the other side. John's gonna go ahead and move up the other bushing here. So I might as well hit that top too. Alright guys, so got the new Magnaflow mufflers installed. Got them in the hangers. Got all the pins tight. All uniform. Looking good. So we'll drop this thing down and fire it up and give it some revs and see what this thing sounds like now. Alright guys, we got the Magnaflow exhaust system installed on this Camaro, so let's set you guys down. Let you hear what it sounds like versus the stock exhaust. There you guys have it. Magnaflow exhaust system on this Camaro. All wrapped up. On to the next project.